Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an important aspect of English writing, which is the introduction. What is it, how to write it, and its common types. So let's dive in and explore more about this topic so that you can make your writing stand out. Before that, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on our latest content. Well, it's highly recognized that writing a strong introduction is key to capturing the reader's attention and setting the stage for the rest of the essay. This video will help you to write good introductions in the future. First, let's define what is meant by an introduction. Simply, an introduction is the opening paragraph that sets the stage for the rest of the essay. The purpose of the introduction is to grab the reader's attention, provide necessary background information, and state the thesis or the main argument of the essay. Well, what are its essential elements? The introduction consists of three main elements, which are the hook, the background information, and the thesis statement. The hook is the opening sentence or phrase that is designed to capture the reader's attention and encourage them to keep reading. So the hook is an attention-grabbing statement that piques the reader's interest. Second, the background information provides necessary context and background information to help the reader understand the topic or subject of the essay. It can include historical, social, cultural, or political context. So, the background information is the context that helps the reader understand the topic. Third is the thesis statement. It's the main argument or purpose of the essay, which is usually presented at the end of the introduction. So the thesis statement previews the main argument of the essay and manifests the roadmap of what the essay will cover. Now let's talk about the two main types of the introduction. We have the funnel introduction and the turnabout introduction. First, the funnel introduction begins with general statements or information and gradually narrows down to the thesis statement. So it starts from general to specific. Here it is an example. Let's read it. The use of technology in the teaching and learning of English as a foreign language has become increasingly prevalent in recent years. With the rapid development of technology, there are now a plethora of digital tools and resources available to enhance EFL instruction and facilitate language acquisition. In essence, the use of technology in EFL classes offers numerous opportunities to engage and motivate learners, promote learner autonomy, and provide personalized learning experiences. So this is an example of a funnel introduction. As you see, it consists of the essential elements. Let's read the paragraph sentence by sentence to see the elements. So the first sentence, the use of technology in the teaching and learning of English as a foreign language has become increasingly prevalent in recent years. So this is the hook of the paragraph, which is the more general statement. Then, the second sentence, with the rapid development of technology, there are now a plethora of digital tools and resources available to enhance EFL instruction and facilitate language acquisition. So this is the background information, which is less general statement. Third sentence, in essence, the use of technology in EFL classes offers numerous opportunities to engage and motivate learners, promote learner autonomy, and provide personalized learning experiences. This is the thesis statement, and which is the more specific statement in the paragraph. Now let's talk about the second type, which is the turnabout introduction. It opens with few sentences summarizing a point of view that is actually the opposite of the writer's own thesis, which means it starts with an opinion that is opposite to the thesis statement. Let's see an example to clarify more. So let's read it. While technology has become increasingly prevalent in many aspects of our lives, some educators remain hesitant to embrace it fully in their English as foreign language classrooms because of several reasons. The fact notwithstanding, there are a multitude of benefits to incorporating technology into EFL instruction. Students can engage in more personalized and interactive learning experiences that can promote motivation and increase their language acquisition. Therefore, the use of technology in EFL classes has numerous advantages as it promotes students' motivation and allows them to be more autonomous. So as you see, the introduction starts with the opinion that technology has some disadvantages, and the thesis statement manifests that there are advantages of using technology in EFL classes, and the essay will talk about the advantages, not the advantages. Now, let's move to the thesis statement. So the thesis statement is the main idea or argument that a writer presents in an essay. It serves as a roadmap for the reader, providing an overview of what the essay will cover and what the author's stance of the topic is. So simply, the thesis statement is the main point of the essay. It should be clear, concise, and directly related to the topic. It is worth noting that there is something called the blueprint statement. This type of thesis statement not only presents the main idea or argument of the essay, but also outlines the major points or arguments that will be discussed in the essay. That's to say, showing explicitly what will be discussed in the body paragraphs. Here is an example to be clear for you. So, let's read it. Through the use of technology in EFL classes, students can benefit from increased access to authentic materials, personalized learning experiences, and enhanced opportunities for collaboration and communication. So this statement or this thesis statement shows the 3 points that will be tackled in the essay. So the first body paragraph will talk about the increased access to authentic language materials. The second body paragraph talk about personalized learning experiences, and the third body paragraph talks about the enhanced opportunities for collaboration and communication. Well, now I will give you a kind of assignment to write 2 introductions about the following topics. First, with or against teacher-centered approach, and the second is the assessment in EFL classes. So make sure to apply the right type of introduction for each question, and you can share your introductions in the comments or in the email, or you can register in the online course. So check the posts in Facebook and Telegram. So that's all. This is all about today's video. Remember, introduction sets the tone for your entire paper, so it's important to take the time to craft a strong introduction that will capture your readers' attention and make them want to keep reading. So thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So see you next time, inshallah. Goodbye. Well, it's highly recognized that writing a strong introduction is key to capturing the reader's attention and setting the stage for the rest of the essay. This video will help you to write